Hello, I'm Benjamin Nyotsenga. I'm going to talk about different things that I've got from adapting to the new workplace module. Um, Learning through this module, I have grasped a lot of things, including the challenge that people face when they are going to the new workplace and how they should solve those challenges. I have managed to interview one employee who worked in both Laterito Limited as a data enumerator and in Ajala Limited as a data collector and analyst. He told me different challenges that he encountered during the first times of arriving at the job, and I was surprised to see that among those challenges, most of them are those that we have been looking at when we were in the class. Really, I've seen that this module shows real life experiences. The first challenge that he told me is that he was not able to fit in the environment as he was like a fresh graduate. He was not able to cope up with the people whom he found at the job. Some of them were old, some of them were younger than him, and then being familiar with them was a difficult problem in the first days. But as the days were advancing, he went on feeling used it or getting familiar with the environment. Another challenge that he told me was like cultural diversity, as the people of different cultures were at the working place. They were the people, even they were non-Rwandans who didn't speak Kinyarwanda, and those have different cultures from ours. And if it comes to judging their cultures, like it's a big challenge. You can find that there are the taboos that here we do not do here in Rwanda, and then those non-Rwandans are doing them freely as if nothing happens. And then that was a great challenge, and I was feeling, how comes that the person do this thing, however it's prohibited in Rwandan culture. But as time went on, they started to learn from each other, and then he felt that the environment is the one which was for him. Also, another thing that he told me is about the responsibilities. They were the responsibilities which are not clear for him, and then fulfilling the task was really difficult for him. uh, the things that he used in order to solve those challenges include knowing the problem and then finding the solution. Uh, I like the way he brought the first thing of knowing the problem and told me that knowing the problem is the first step of solving it. If you know the problem, it helps you to go through it and also know some of the solutions you can use in order to solve it. That is the first way that he used in order to get familiar with the environment that he was going to work in. The second thing that he used is to imitate the employees. The things that are similar when you're working in an environment, like you are a data collector and the other people who are the data collectors also. And if you work with them and then you make friendship with them, you develop friendship with them, then they can help you to know many things about the job that you're going to pursue. Thank you for watching this video. That's all about what I learned in adapting to the new place, and I'm really happy that this module will help me to when I reach to the new working environment, and I will be able to adapt easily at the working environment.